Hello guys, how are you today? Hoping you are doing well. It's your girl Anne and I'm back again with a very interesting video kama kawaida. Now my people, today I'm here and we are going to start something new that we haven't done. And before I even tell you what we are going to do, let me take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you to my YouTube channel. For my new subscribers, karibuni sana maza, I love you so much guys. And for my return subscribers, thank you so much for your trust. And before you go for my new subscribers, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You like, you share, and you leave down a comment. And for my return subscribers, yes, go. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Continue to share, you like, you leave a comment. So before we do so much, let me tell you what I came here to tell you. So for this video, I'm going to do I'm going to shoot a video cooking the whole dinner, 2 meals. So this is an episode that we're going to do, and it's cook dinner with me. So my people, acha tuende niwaonyeshe chenye tunapika. And again, we are not in our kitchen, I'm at my cousin's place, so we are going to prepare dinner with you. So nitaonyesha chenye tunapika, then we'll be good to go. Sawa? So let me show you. For this, we are going to make some green peas. Na green crumbs. Back in the door? Yeah. Green peas. Okay. So. For this, we are going to make some beef stew, and we have some onions here. We have some garlic. We have some green pepper. We have some coriander. We have some beef cubes, carrots, tomatoes, green crumbs, green peas. Green peas. There we go. Our green peas, and we have some beef. Let's go direct to our sufuria. Carrots. Hakuna tofauti. Our kitunguu is now ready. We can add our garlic. At this point, we add our garlic. Here we go. Nawe siona hata nikimwambia. Then we add our green capsicum plus and the carrot. Nakutolea mami, sijakataa na kutolea. Then we add tunaongeza our meat. There we go. So nice, nanuka poa. Nyama imeiva, nyama iko sawa. Now we add our salt and our spices. There we go, our 2 cubes. You want some little water. Alafu nakoroga. Now tunaziacha like for about 5 minutes. Alafu tukuje tuangalie. Wow, so nice. Our mbaazi, our green crumbs. No, our green peas. Yeah, our green peas. They are so ready. Tuongeze hawa ondania. And there we go. Hiyo imekuwa ready. It's so ready. There we go. Now, acha tuwekelee our rice. Let's prepare our white rice now. Here comes our water. Hii ni maji ya mchele. Mchele nayo nimepima 2 glasses. Then 4 glasses of water. So mchele tunaenda kuiweka hapo. Hivyo. Alafu mchele nayo unaipika ukiwa makini, isishikane ikuwe mchele, ikuwe ungali. Remember tunapika mchele sio ungali. So you must be extra keen whenever you are making your rice. Stand kukuwa ungali. Sawa? So hebu ichemke, then I will show you. And here we go. Our rice is super ready. Moja kamoja meiva, and it looks so yummy. Now that's all for today. See you on my next video. Bye bye.